Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are an entrepreneur, educator or content creator looking to break into the multi-billion-dollar e-learning industry, today's review is for you. In this video, we will be diving into CourseReel AI Max, a game-changing tool that makes creating and selling online courses easier than ever. Stay tuned as we explore how CourseReel AI Max can help you create high-quality, engaging courses without the need for fancy equipment or technical expertise. What is CourseReel AI Max? So what exactly is CourseReel AI Max? Simply put, it is all-in-one AI-powered course creation tool that lets you build professional video courses effortlessly. Gone are the days of spending hours recording videos, writing scripts, or mastering complex editing software. With CourseReel AI Max, you can create everything from course content and promo videos to quizzes, landing pages, and even ebooks, all with just a few clicks. How it works? Simple and fast. Using CourseReel AI Max is super easy. You just log into the dashboard, enter a keyword or niche, and let the magic happen. The AI engine automatically generates multiple course topics and chapter ideas based on your input. It even creates the content for each chapter, including text, images, animations, and voiceovers. You can then customize everything to your liking, add your personal touch, and voila, your first course is ready to go. And here is the best part. You don't need to be an expert in video production or content creation. CourseReel AI Max does all it heavy lifting, so you can focus on creating valuable lessons that will engage your audience. Features breakdown, all-in-one solution. Now let's talk about some of the standout features that make CourseReel AI Max a true game changer. First off, it allows you to create up to 50 videos per week. That is right, 50 professional grade videos, all in HD, up to 50 minutes long. But that is just a tip of the iceberg. You also get unlimited access to the landing page generator for create stunning high converting pages to sell your courses. The promo video creation tool, which allows you to create professional looking promotional videos to market your course. Quiz creation to test your students' knowledge and boost engagement. The ability to turn your course slides into beautifully designed ebooks and PDFs for wider reach and offline access. And the talking head feature, add lifelike avatars to your videos, making them more engaging and interactive for your students. Whether you are looking to create a comprehensive course for a paid platform or an interactive learning experience for your students, CourseReel AI Max has got you covered. Customization and flexibility. Another great thing is about CourseReel AI Max is the level of customization it offers. From course topics to chapter outlines, content and visuals, you have complete control over your course. You can even upload your own audio or use the app's built-in voiceover technology to add narration in your own voice. And with millions of stock images and thousands of background music tracks, you can make your courses look and feel exactly how you want them. Monetizing your course. The best part, you own everything you create. CourseReel AI Max gives you full commercial rights, meaning you can sell your courses on any platform, whether that is Udemy, Teachable, or even your own website. Plus, with no watermarks on your videos, your brand stay looking professional. You can start generating passive income with your expertise, all without needing a fancy studio setup or complex software. Perfect for different audiences. CourseReel AI Max is perfect for a variety of creators. If you are a newbie, you can create your very first course and start selling it right away. If you are an affiliate marketer, you can even turn text-based reviews into compelling video reviews. If you are a coach, consultant, or educator, this tool can help you create a structured video courses to scale your business and expand your reach. And if you are an e-commerce seller, why not create product training videos to build trust with your audience? Bonus training and support. And here is another perk. CourseReel AI Max comes with 12 months of priority support and regular updates, so you are never left in the dark. Plus, there is a detailed training available both in video and PDF format, so you can get the ground running even if you are completely new to course creation. Final thoughts and recommendation. So if you are ready to tap into the booming e-learning industry and create professional courses without the stress, CourseReel AI Max is the tool you need. With its AI power features, incredible easy of use, and limitless potential, it is an absolute game changer. Whether you are a content creator, educator, or entrepreneur, this tool will make course creation faster, easier, and more profitable than ever. Make sure to check out the link in the description to grab your copy today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful. I will see you in the next one. Purchase the CourseReel AI Max below the link in this video description to get my extra bonuses. My extra bonuses will be send your JVzoo's purchase dashboard next to your purchase product. Thank you for watching. Now watch the demo video.
Welcome to CourseReel AI Max. In this short video, I'm going to walk you through how you can create a course, create promotional videos, create quizzes, landing page, and everything you need to create, sell, promote, and profit from course, all using AI and just a single keyword. First thing you want to do is, once you're in the dashboard, click on Create Courses button here and give your course a name. Let's call it AI course. And here you can pick your country and language if you want to localize the course for a certain country. Now you put in a keyword. Let's go for AI automation for small businesses and click on search topic. Now AI is going to go ahead and find you topics that are trending, that people are looking for, that you can create a course around. So let's go with developing AI adaptation strategy for small businesses that you can sell to consultants as a course. Next step, AI is now going to create and recommend you chapters that you can add in the course. So you can add multiple chapters as you like, or you can click on plus and create your own chapter. Next, here what you can do is you can add content on these chapters, and then AI will convert that content into a video for you. Now you can write your own content, create using AI. You can upload your own video and AI will convert that video into a new video for you, or you can record your own audio and convert that audio into a chapter. For our case, let's go with this one. Click on create using AI, and we're going to click on generate. Now once the content is created, what you can do is you can copy this and paste it here and click on next. Now it's going to ask you, do you want all AI images, like images created using AI, or you want stock images? So in this case, let's go with AI. Do you want a 9:16 or 16:9, which is like a YouTube video, or a TikTok, Instagram reel kind of a video? Do you want a talking head? So what you could do is you can upload your own picture, and then it's going to add your picture with head movement and lip sync on that video, so it looks like you are also in that video course, recording your own video, face video, and adding the whole course into it. And then you can also clone your own voice. So you upload a sample, or you record a sample, or you can use your own existing cloned voice in the video if you want to do that. So I've already cloned my voice as Charlie, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to click on generate video. Now, as you can see, it's starting to generate video. In about a second, the video will be generated, and we can start editing it. Now, as you can see, the slides have been generated, and you can start editing or previewing the video right here. So all the video that you're seeing at the background, everything is AI generated. All the clips, all the content, talking head, everything is added. What you can do now is go ahead and modify the text, change the formatting, customize the background color, everything as you like. You can change the image. You can generate a new AI image if you don't like the one that's already added. You can change the media, you can add more images and pictures on top of it, you can change the voiceover. Again, you can record your own and clone your own voice. You can update your talking head if you want to use a different one. You can do that. You can add another picture. You can change the shape of the talking head from square to circle, from circle to square. You can change the position. You can move it around wherever you want it. You can make it square if you like it. You can make it larger. You can make it more larger, but small usually is really good. You can add a background video. You can add animation to all the elements. You can move the text around as you like it. You can add transitions between multiple slides. You can add your own logo watermark on all the videos so nobody can copy it. And then you can control the volume of the voiceover versus volume of the background music. Then you can also add a call to action, which is just a website or text name that will show up on the video, and you can change the location where you want it to show up as well. Then you can add a credit, which is an intro slide and outro slide, like a logo animation of your own company or of your own brand or whatever you like. You can preview the video just like this, or once you're done with it, you can start rendering the video. Now, as you can see, it's going to start rendering it, downloading resources and everything. So it's super easy to create a course here. You can create multiple chapters. You can create 10, 15 different, and then all the courses that you have created, you see them all here. Now, once a course is created, what you want to do next is want to create a VSL, a video sales letter, or a promotion video for it. So to do that, you click on generate video, and AI promo is the name of the video that we're going to use. Now we have two options. You can create the promo video using the course content or from a custom input, right? So in this case, we just want AI to take everything that it has learned from the course it has created and then create a video for us. So this was the AI course that we created. We go next. AI will take and learn everything from this course and then create a sales script, a promotional video for you. The script is ready for you. All you have to do next is click on generate, and then AI will start generating the video for you, adding slides, voiceover, talking head, everything that you want to do it, and then your promotion video will be ready and you can download it. So the promotion video customization is practically the same as the customization on the course video that I just showed you. Next step is creating a quiz. So you can give an interactive quiz to your students, charge more for it, and you can create multiple different quizzes. So you can create one new quiz for the course every day or every week and give it to your students. So we're going to give it a name. Next, we're going to have AI learn everything from our course and create a quiz about that course. Next up, all the questions are here. AI has generated everything for you. You can pick all the chapters that you want to include in the quiz, and then we go next. Now we're going to make sure we want the quiz to be easy, medium, or hard. Let's go for hard. You can pick how many questions you want. So let's say if you want 5 questions, you can set how much time you want the quiz to be. So let's make it 20 minutes long quiz. And then you can collect first name, last name, email, gender, age, everything. And then you can save all that information in an autoresponder that you can connect from the integration option over here. Now in our case, we'll skip the autoresponder, click next, and now your course is ready. You can preview it. You can preview it in the desktop view. This is how it will look. And then you can preview it in the mobile. This is how it will look. You can see all the questions here. And then you can rearrange these questions as well. If you want to move some questions up and down, you can do that. And as you can see right over here, your quiz URL is ready. You can copy this and then you can open it in a browser and you can see the quiz right over here. Now, all the questions when your students answer, you can see all the answers input on the participants tab and collect all that information. Next step is creating a sales page, a landing page for your quiz. So you go to the landing page, click on create new landing page, give it a name, AI sales page. That will help you sell this quiz. Now, you can create using content extraction, which is where AI will analyze course data and extract key elements to create the course for you. Or you could use a pre-filled section, so where a landing page builder automatically fills in relevant information based on a prompt that you give. In our case, again, we want AI to learn everything from our course and then write a sales page and create a landing page for us. We're going to do that. First option, click next. Now, here's the course that we're going to select, AI courses. We're going to click next. and then you can pick from multiple templates. You'll have about 10 templates to pick from. You can preview these templates. This is how it will look. This is how the content and everything would be. And then you can click on select and click next, and that's all you have to do. And the AI will start generating the landing page for you, and then you can copy that URL, open it, add your own domain or subdomain. You can add it as a sub CNAME domain, and then you can have your own. And as you can see, it's like super quickly created. And then next up, you can integrate all of these, including your autoresponder, and we support all the autoresponders out there. So that's how you go ahead and create a quiz in less than 5 minutes, create a course in less than 5 minutes, create a promo video in less than 5 minutes. And if you combine all of this in 20 minutes, you have a full business ready with CourseReel AI Max that you can start promoting, start selling, and start profiting from. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.